Well, test. And let's see. They asked me. They asked me, please go and check lumber prices. And let me check. I downloaded a new platform, which is British and allows me to trade lumber. And when I check, oh my God, what happened here? Something really strange happened. It never happened in decades. Oh my God. Lumber had the record price high this year. Very weird. You see that this is a chart from multi decades. You see this level, which is critical, send a signal. And someone, no, 2018, oh my God, it's amazing. And it's bullish. So we have this website called Trading Economics, and they give you, they have good information from a statistics point of view. And they claim that lumber is down about 43% from all-time high of almost 1,000 reached on September 14 due to lower temperatures and fewer requests. But remain the top performing major raw material this year on the back of robust demand. This is not right, because we have seen that this chart is a structural change, and the activity of the world trade uh, should not allow this type of movement. So this is bullish, clearly bullish, and we are retesting this resistance level. And I know what you're going to say, all these conspiracy theories about um, creating a green war, a smarter war, all the stuff that, people are associating with the Biden presidency. And maybe that's the reason these prices are going way up. Maybe we need a greener planet, and maybe lumber prices are going to explode. This chart is saying that lumber is going to break this resistance, like it should be piece of cake for lumber to crash. And we have also the monetary stimulus that will arrive in December with Europe, with the United States. Oh my God, it's amazing. Prices almost double. So I am not ecologist. I have no clue about the rainforest damage. I'm no Greta Thunberg, but I'm seeing the patterns, and this reminds me. This is like the gold. It's like a gold chart, but even faster recovery. So we have tested the resistance, and this chart is not going down. Let's check what happened in the year. I'm opening now this chart, which is I not use too much trading view. I use MT4, but I'm opening an account with one of the guys who allowed me to trade lumber. Is this British Forex, and they have lumber prices. Well, we will see what's going on here. Let me check here. Yes. It's amazing thing. We have to be very careful because all the all the stuff going on from the geopolitical side, I was bought with volume, so this is not over clearly. this is not over. And this is why the reasons are I don't like too much this website. And this is not over. You can trade lumber futures more easily in the UK platforms. I don't trade lumber. And you can see that this is not something that happened by accident. This is like a seismic movement, and it took 3 months. 3 months, and it was way back. It was a great movement here, and I don't believe this is going to be stopped here. Maybe we can stay in the middle, but this is definitely going up, and we have all the monetary stimulus coming. So I think that lumber prices are a good call. If you tell me what are the commodities I do prefer, I prefer agro commodities, soft commodities, food prices like corn. Corn is cheap. Let me check here. Let me check here. I can show you a chart. This is a platform I use. I have a virtual server and other testing. Now I'm in the testing account. Both are the real accounts. This is only chat for charts. Have you checked the prices of corn? The prices of corn are like a blessing for those who have opened their eyes. You see that? This is amazing. We have all this green agenda going on, as a conspiracy theory would say, and we are seeing an explosion in the corn prices. So it reminds me when silver was stuck doing nothing, and then it exploded in 2011, and then it went back completely in the cemetery of commodities, the precious metal commodities, and then it started to move, especially last year and this year. So if you want to hedge your portfolio, this is not a trading advice, just saying, look at this chart. Look at this chart. We have corn here at the prices of 2007, and it was a massive testing of this area around 410. Years after years, after years, after years, after years. So with all the stimulus engines going on and the movements in the timber prices, in the lumber prices, sorry, I believe this is very interesting commodity. If you believe that a green earth is coming and people will need food and they will start to stockpiling food, okay, here we are with corn. Corn is here and saying, hey, I'm retesting this level. So you don't buy when something is testing resistance. You buy it when the commodity has destroyed that resistance, and it's not the case. But if you make a little zoom here, yes, you have already done on an intra-monthly basis and with great volume. So I believe core. I believe this is my belief. I have not run any statistical testing with corn. I am very interested in following corn. You see this pattern here, and this is a famous W chart, the W pattern, and people follow here the price, and they take to promote you and tell you that technical analysis is the way to go. It's a trap. You have to test the technical analysis patterns to check if this is going to happen. So from a scientific point of view, I like more core than lumber prices, but both are telling me, even with gold, add Bitcoin, that the US dollar is in trouble. So I believe that this is all the prices I'm following. Look, platinum. Platinum is the abandoned kid in the precious metal complex. Look where was the record high in platinum? 2000 and 200, and now where it is. And gold is in the record highs of 2011. So platinum is way cheaper than gold now. But it depends more on the industrial level than the gold. So that's the reason why platinum was lagging behind. Corn is giving me with lumber now more evidence that we are in trouble for the US dollar value in the future. A big trouble. So I have seen the mess in my country. I have seen how the absence of confidence in the currency can do to the markets. We are seeing that commodities that should be very very stable or with no demand are being pushed up. This is pushed up by monetary reasons or maybe political reasons like lumber. So people, please stay awake with these lumber prices because something very weird is going on. I believe is some important macro trend or maybe politics around it because that kind of movement it means politics. Maybe some trade tariffs, maybe a new green agenda coming even harder, something wrong. And on top of that, all the stimulus coming our way from Federal Reserve, from the European Central Bank, and now the New Zealand Bank is claiming that they're going for negative rates. So if I want to show you the monthly charts from gold. Never in history of gold trading we have this level of volume. Everybody was trading gold with this pandemic. All the charts show that mostly all the people were trading commodities like crazy when crude oil was destroyed on May 2020. So we are going to see explosion in gold. I believe this is going to be gold way up high, around 3,000, sorry, in 4 years tops. This is my belief and my opinion. I am not giving trading advice, only what I see. All commodities are screaming, hey, something's wrong. Something's wrong with the US dollar value, something's wrong with politics, and I don't know who is going to win the elections. Trump is fighting, and I sent in the previous updates new information that they were fighting for legal basis, and others are saying that the legal initiatives are being scrapped. So I really don't know what's going on with the Trump re-election. I think he may lose, but they are giving a fight until the end. And the same thing happened with the Al Gore administration that lasted 37 days. No matter who wins, no matter if Trump wins or Biden wins, all the commodities are screaming big trouble ahead, big time. So people stay tuned, and I'm going to give updates about the commodities and then probably a special course about trading and about finance, personal finance for dummies, for dummies like me, and it will be for free. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to improve this channel from time to time. Just be patient, please. And receive these live updates. And thank you very much.